Shwmae, Dionne dwi. As you know, I've been learning Welsh and I've been doing this with Learn Welsh Gwent. My learning takes place remotely, so all our classes take place virtually. I'm really glad I started to do this, especially with all the COVID-19 restrictions. It's been a welcome distraction, and also I'm learning, so it's a bonus. So last lesson we started to talk about other people, and we also learned how to ask a person, where do they live? So I would say, ble dych chi'n byw? Where do you live? And we also learned how to say, where are you from? Which is, o ble rwy ti'n dod? Which I would reply with dwi'n dod o Gaerdydd. Anyway, diolch I bawb am gwylio. Oh, before I go, my favourite word of the moment is rwan, which means now, immediately. I've been saying that all the time. Anyway, hwyl tan y tro nesaf, and dwi'n mynd I gweithio rwan.